Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we're looking at the front floor overmat options for the Jaguar E-Type range, also known as the XKE cars. Effectively what we've got here is overmats which would sit over the top of your current carpets and protect them from the elements, so it stops sort of dirt and mud getting on them, and obviously sort of rainwater and things like that. Especially good for those that have light coloured carpets and want to make sure that they remain that way. But overall, just a great way of making sure the carpets underneath that receive the most wear and tear stay a bit more pristine for when you want to show off the car at shows, etc. What we've got here, you've got the different versions depending on which car you've got. At the back here, these longer style ones are obviously for the long wheelbase cars. So that is all of the 2+2 cars, the 4-seaters effectively. So Series 1 up until Series 3. But it's also suitable for the Series 3 Roadster open 2-seater because that obviously had the long wheelbase as well. Then moving forward here, these are suitable for all of the 2-seater fixed head cars, as well as the Series 1 and Series 2 open 2-seater Roadsters. Bit of a caveat within that, these ones here obviously have this slit down, which is clearly for the kind of recessed floor pan versions of the car, what we refer to as non-flat floor, which is obviously by far and away the more commonly seen Series 1 to Series 2 cars. Not to be confused with the very early flat floors, which was only ever an option on the Series 1 3.8, the very first off the production line, and they literally had a sort of flat pan in their floor for the front floors. Then they realised that people couldn't really fit in the cars particularly well, so they updated to this recessed floor design here. So that recessed floor design is by far and away the more commonly seen Series 1 3.8, but the very early cars, these ones here wouldn't be particularly suitable for because you've got this slit down the middle. Obviously they would fit in theory, but you would just see carpet in between here, so it'd look a bit silly. So these rubber ones here, they're great because they work for the front flat floor versions and the non-flat floor versions. So they're kind of universal in that regard there. So basically, if you have a Series 1 and Series 2 open 2-seater Roadster and you've got the recessed non-flat floor version, same again for the 2-seater fixed head, then you have a choice. You either have these rubber overmats, which are obviously great because you can just wipe water off them, keep them nice and clean. They have this sort of rubber backing with grip stumps on them, and they've got the sort of Jaguar head logo on them there. But you've also got the choice of these nylon plush carpets, so a bit more of a carpet look to them. They're plush black nylon, only available in black. They have this different Jaguar logo on. Same again, they've got these sort of grip bits on the back of them to stop them from sliding around. But the idea is you literally just place them in the car and easily accessible to just take them out and wipe them down or vacuum them down in this particular version's case and put them back in. Same principle again, obviously, for the long wheelbase cars, so all the 2+2s and the Series 3 Roadsters. They're the rubber ones. They have their circular Jaguar logo on. Same again on the back, you've got the grip bits on them as well, so they're nice and easy to just wipe down and are really good against protecting water. I actually have a Series 3 Roadster and I've got these in my car. Words to the wise, basically. They're good for about 80 to 90% of it, but you might have to make subtle sort of indent cuts here to accommodate the throttle pedal nice and easily. That's what I found on mine anyway. Very, very minor, just a little sort of rectangle cut out in it and everything was fine, but just word to the wise that it's best to do that as opposed to risk getting it trapped underneath the throttle pedal, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, so they're your options. Fairly clear and easy, but highly recommended. That's why we've added it to the range. Once I found out we could get them for my particular car, then I've added them all to our range, and they're great as a protector to make sure that our carpets remain nice and pristine. So enough said on that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts. Be sure to read the description below, as there'll be useful links to other videos of products that we can offer for your E-Type restoration, and of course some links to our website of where to inquire and learn about us as a business. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to tune in next time. Thank you.